So, welcome to part 2 of why allergies are exploding. So, in this part, we will discuss the treatment options. So, most of the patients can be well controlled if they do certain lifestyle modifications and take medications regularly. And also, dust control measures are extremely important, and food habits also are extremely important. They need to avoid food which they are allergic to, and if by chance they are not being able to avoid the food allergens or the food that they are allergic to, and for some reason if they are not being able to keep up with the lifestyle modification, then immunotherapy is available for them. Immunotherapy can be really helpful, and it has helped a lot of people with allergies, especially with house dust mite, which is the most common allergen in India, and with certain pollens. So they can be immunotherapy against house dust mite, pollens, and certain foods can be actually very helpful and very effective. And hope this helps. So what is immunotherapy? Think of it as a immune system upgrade. Instead of treating the symptoms, it just upgrades the immune system so that it stop reacting to those allergens. So there are two most common immunotherapy methods which are available right now in India. Number one is subcutaneous immunotherapy, that is popularly known as allergy shots, which are subcutaneous injections which need to be given weekly. And the second one is sublingual immunotherapy, and the third one is oral immunotherapy, although it is not very well practiced in India. Slowly it is coming though, but then sublingual immunotherapy, it is very effective, and as well as it is very comfortable, and it is not at all cumbersome for the patients. So at the patient's comfort, I would recommend that sublingual immunotherapy is better than subcutaneous immunotherapy, and it is having lesser cost also as compared to allergy shots or sublingual immunotherapy. So think of it like a homeopathic medication, in short, that it builds tolerance and it retrains your immune system, and the body stops reacting to those allergens, because slowly it is building the immune system, retraining it, and hence your body gets immune to those allergens. So if you want to more detailed video on allergy immunotherapy and what is it about, do comment down below. And for more such useful tips on allergy and immunotherapy, do follow me, and thank you.